Do objects that move from Earth to space lose weight, even their mass remains the same? Why is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Gravity's pulls on an object decreases as it moves away from the Earth. Suppose you want to trip from the molten core of the Earth to the Earth's crust and into the atmosphere. Which sequence states might describe this voyage? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Liquid, solid, gas. The chemical properties of matter are subject to change, which is a good example for change in the chemical properties of matter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When air condenses, when iron forms iron oxide or rust, the molecules of a gas are far apart. The molecules of a liquid are closer together, but have no fixed shape or volume. What do you think is true about solids? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A solid has dense molecules. Fish, bait, underwater birds have dissolved oxygen to water with their gills. In the perspective, oxygen is the form of, I don't know. I have any example of 105. A liquid combined with the gas. Dry ice and solid carbon dioxide and other fats called sublimation. How is dry ice different from normal ice? Dry ice goes directly from solid to gas without becoming a liquid. Respiration is a body's way of cooling off. What change of state is involved in this process? Evaporation. Solid, liquids, and gas may all be used as fuels. Which of the following is a gas? Propane. Ice is less dense than water. If a tightly sealed glass container is filled to the brim with water and then placed in a freezer, what will happen? The ice will expand, breaking the glass. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.